the birds. You can see a beautiful bird in here with yellow, black, and white, and a long beak. Who's here? Who's here? Who's here? Iko and Serabi. Serabi and Iko. We'll go back to our bird. Where is our bird? Oh, he's gone. Okay, Iko and Serabi. Look at the nice pose. Long body. And Iko. Happy rabbits. Hello, Iko. How are you today? Hello, and Serabi. Hello.